Hi everyone, Dr. David Kulla with another product review. So this is the MyoMount. Hopefully you just saw my video on the mobile mallet or the mobility mallet, which is a massage gun. And you can mount that massage gun to this, the MyoMount. Now, granted, I want you to understand the MyoMount, you can attach practically any massage gun that has a push button trigger where you push the button and it just massages you. They have some where you have to hold the trigger down for safety, right? That wouldn't work as well with this, but it could work. But I'll show you how we mount this and how this works. This is the MyoMount. This is a really cool invention by Portland Health Supply Company. PortlandHealthSupply.com is where you can find this. If there's any discounts, we'll leave it in the description code. But when you open the box up, it comes in a nice styrofoam case here. And what's really nice about this, it's got some add-ons. This works better than most. And I've used, I did a review on the Variable. Make sure you check that review out. And that has a small suction, smaller than this. So I found that it would fall off the wall. This does work better on a smoother surface like don't use it on glass, but on probably like a metal door, or I found it works better on a refrigerator. Just make sure you don't damage your refrigerator, because when you put the massage gun and attach it to it, it's gonna vibrate. And also make sure you don't have a neighbor on the other side of the wall, because they're not gonna like you. They are gonna complain it's loud when it hits the wall and it vibrates, you know, because it's coming and you're putting your back against it. So just be aware of that. Put it on a wall that's, you know, if you live in a New York City apartment like me, I have one wall that does not face an apartment. So it's got a cover on it. Here's the suction. And I'll show you how we attach it in just a minute. Once you attach it, it's got grooves. And what I really like about the MyoMount is it comes with two pieces. One is a vertiball. Again, I've done a review on this product. He didn't invent this, reinvent it. He's just added this if you don't have a massage gun. So you can mount this to this. It's got teeth. You just snap it in and turn it. And you can use this, and this ball rolls over trigger points. And it's really great to release trigger points. You do not need a massage gun. But it also comes with this, the clamp. Okay, and all you need to do, you open the clamp up like that. And same thing. Once this is attached to the wall, you just snap it in and twist. And then you attach the massage gun right in here, like such. And I will show you again how we do that in just a second. And that's the MyoMount. I like this because for the price, check on their website, PortlandHealthSupply.com. But for the price, you're getting the clamp wall mount for any massage gun, not just the mobility mallet, but also you get this vertiball to hit trigger points, and this is really effective. So we're gonna show you guys how we actually mount it on the wall. It's really simple. Okay, so here we go. Here is the mounting piece, and we're going to start by lifting the lever, okay? Like that. And we're just going to mount it, and you just stick it right to there, make sure it's got a good contact, and you just shut that. And then you're all set. Now you can take the vertiball and you just line the teeth up on the vertiball like that, and you lock it in. And there you go, and you're all set. And to unlock it, you just twist it to lock it off. And if you want to take the clamp, you do that, same concept, and just lock it in. And there you go. That's how to mount the MyoMount. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed this product review. Let me know if you have any questions.